In this video, I will show you how to make your TikTok creator account. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up the TikTok app. Once you're in the app, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give that a tap. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your profile page where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines to open up more options. From this menu, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in Settings, tap on Account. Look for an option that says Switch to Business Account. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll be presented with some information regarding what a business account entails. It's worth reading through these details if you want a better understanding of what features are available. Next up is choosing a category that best describes your content or brand. Browse through the options and select one that resonates with your style. After selecting your category, tap Next again. Congratulations, you've successfully switched over to a creator account. This feature gives you access to all sorts of creator tools designed just for users like you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.